Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to talk about how to make your account private on TikTok and of course fix it if you can't. So we are in the profile section, and from here we're gonna go to our settings and privacy. To do it, click on this button of 3 lines. On the top right, I'm gonna choose settings and privacy from here and go to privacy. Here you'll find the private account option. You're gonna toggle it on, and only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. And of course your existing followers won't be affected. So you just toggle it on and your account will be private now. But if you can't do it, the next steps are for you. First, make sure that you updated your TikTok application to the newest version possible, and after this try to restart your phone if the previous step didn't help you. So it will solve some little problems like little bugs, and maybe it will work. But if it still doesn't work by any reason, you're gonna go to the info of the application. You're gonna press and hold icon of TikTok and click on this info button. You will find this page, but you can also do it by going to settings and search for app management in the search field. After this you're gonna go to app management and search for TikTok. So now you're gonna force stop the application and go to storage usage, and you're gonna clear the cache. After this, go to permissions and make sure that you allowed TikTok all permissions that it requests, because it also can cause some problems, because TikTok is limited when you don't give the app the permissions that it requires. So after this, in the most cases it works, but if it still doesn't work, you can always just contact the support team of TikTok, so they will help you more specifically, and they will help you because of course it's their app. And that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, please make sure that you liked and subscribe to the channel, and of course I will see you in the next one.